Rainbow Dash is alone in the forest. Suddenly, Pinkie Pie was discovered walking into Rainbow Dash very happily and hiding behind the bushes. Pinkie Pie went in but couldn't find Rainbow Dash anywhere, so she eagerly searched for her. Suddenly Rainbow Dash comes out and threatens to scare Pinkie Pie. Because she was so scared, Pinkie Pie kept hiccuping. The hiccups haven't stopped yet. Rainbow Dash wanted to use the feather to help Pinkie Pie get rid of her hiccups, but because she didn't want to, Pinkie Pie refused to cooperate. Rainbow Dash uses the next method to give Pinkie Pie water.
Okay.
This time Pinkie Pie listened and followed suit by drinking water. I drank so much water that my stomach was bloated.
No.
Rainbow Dash told Pinkie Pie to drink the last cup even though she didn't want to, but Pinkie Pie tried and drank the last cup. Pinkie Pie drank too much water and wanted to go to the bathroom, but Rainbow Dash told her to hold on. Pinkie Pie refused to listen and went to the toilet. After going to the bathroom, Pinkie Pie continued to have hiccups.
Wait a minute.
Rainbow Dash took some ice and put it in a bowl. Pinkie Pie still doesn't understand what's going on. And then all the ice was put into his mouth. Forced to swallow ice, Pinkie Pie now feels cold and shivers, but the hiccups haven't stopped yet, which makes Pinkie Pie very angry.
Sorry.
Rainbow Dash said one last time and Pinkie Pie also agreed.
Okay.
Rainbow Dash used the old method of threatening to startle Pinkie Pie and her hiccups stopped.
Thank you.
Pinkie Pie has a basket full of candy. After putting everything down, Pinkie Pie immediately climbed into bed and took a nap. Oh, where did Luffy come from and intend to target Pinkie Pie's candy basket? Pinkie Pie woke up after a good night's sleep. Oh my god, the candy basket that Pinkie Pie left on the shelf didn't fly away. Pinkie Pie frantically searched around. Twilight Sparkle comes in and wants to ask Pinkie Pie what happened. Pinkie Pie recounts how her candy basket suddenly disappeared and was nowhere to be found. Twilight Sparkle has an idea to find the culprit. Twilight Sparkle is making other candies. First, add a little strawberry syrup and then pour in a little gelatin powder. Turn on the stove and wait for it to boil. After turning off the stove, pour the solution into the mold. Next, put the chocolate candies into the mold. Now boil the milk. Also add some gelatin powder. The solution has been completed and continue to pour into the candy mold. Now put the mold containing the candies in the refrigerator so the candies will harden.
A few hours later.
After a while, the candy has hardened and now needs to be taken out of the refrigerator. The completed candies are placed in a bowl. Twilight Sparkle walked in and walked over carrying candy.
Huh?
The plan is ready, now we just need to wait for the culprit to take the bait. Pinkie Pie discovered that the culprit was Luffy. Luffy was caught red-handed stealing candy. Luffy later realized his mistake and apologized to Pinkie Pie.
Okay.
Thank you.
The music is so exciting. Oh my god, Luffy and Pinkie Pie bounced on the sofa and broke it in half. Pinkie Pie was angry and blamed Luffy.
I'm sorry.
Suddenly a phone call came.
Hello?
It turned out to be Twilight Sparkle announcing she was coming home.
Oh no!
Pinkie Pie is very confused and doesn't know how to handle the sofa. First clean up the room. Pinkie Pie uses a hammer to repair the chair. Was the chair successfully repaired? Oh no, the chair still can't be fixed.
Aha!
Pinkie Pie then thought of going to PA shop to buy a new chair to replace the broken one. The first chair was made of a tree that could be watered to create beautiful flowers.
Wow!
The second chair is made of tiger skin. What? The chair turns into a tiger. Still not having a chair that I'm satisfied with is really difficult. Twilight Sparkle returns to find the chair broken.
Huh?
Pinkie Pie admitted her mistake and recounted the incident that caused the chair to break in half.
I'm so sorry.
Twilight Sparkle warns Pinkie Pie not to play like that on the chair next time because it will damage the furniture. Then Twilight Sparkle used her magic to repair the chair back to its original state. Panda is having a delicious nap. After waking up, suddenly a cup of fruit juice fell down, startling Panda.
Oh.
Panda was extremely curious and ran closer to see and looked around why there was suddenly a glass of juice here.
Oh.
After observing carefully, Panda decided to taste it to see what it tasted like. It was surprising because it was delicious.
Whoa.
Panda then had a new idea. Panda operates a fruit juice mixing cart called Panda and Juice.
Hello.
Hello.
The first customer to visit was Fluttershy, and she chose mango juice.
Yay!
All preparations of utensils and fruits to create a cup of mango juice went very smoothly. After closing the lid and starting the machine, it will soon produce a cup of delicious mango juice. And the juice cup is completed.
Oh. Wow. Huh? Aha. Okay.
Fluttershy feels very delicious and satisfied with this delicious cup of mango juice. Oh wow! The two customers who kept coming were Pinkie Pie and Rarity. Rarity chose purple plum juice and Pinkie Pie chose watermelon juice. Because of familiarity, the operations were very quick and smooth, and the juice cups were completed very quickly.
Wow.
Customers are very satisfied with the speed of service as well as the quality of the product.
Wow.
Panda has earned a lot of money and soon his dream of having a new house will come true. Twilight Sparkle starts up the toy production line. The dolls are moved down the line to be sprayed with color and then put on hats. The completed dolls are placed in a cart for transportation. Oh no, something went wrong with the machine. The final doll was not completed and was defective. Twilight Sparkle discovered the doll was defective.
Oh no.
If the defective doll is not repaired, it will be discarded, thus the gift will be lost. First, Twilight Sparkle took this defective doll to be washed first. Put the doll in the washing machine, pour in detergent, start it and wait. After washing, it is still wet and needs to be dried to dry. The mane and tail appear to be ruffled.
Aha.
Twilight Sparkle thought of a way, and using cotton candy instead was a really creative idea. The first one, followed by the second one. All work has been completed. Oh yeah, everything is almost brand new. The doll has been completely repaired, but it still seems like something is missing. Perfect.
Huh?
The time has come. It's time to go deliver gifts. Let's go.
Huh?
Pinkie Pie is watching mukbang videos.
Oh.
Pinkie Pie's eyes suddenly glowed because she felt that eating chili would be delicious. Pinkie Pie has prepared a plate of chili. Oh no, if Pinkie Pie eats the entire plate of chili at once, it will be spicy.
Help me!
TV woman heard Pinkie Pie's cry for help and rushed in.
Huh? Oh, what happened?
Pinkie Pie tells why she needs TV woman's help.
What? Huh? Ah.
Oh my god, Pinkie Pie's tongue is burning because it's so spicy.
Sorry.
TV woman uses a magnifying glass to observe Pinkie Pie's mouth to easily help Pinkie Pie. Oh no, Pinkie Pie's oral cavity is terrible and needs to be treated promptly. Treat stains first. What? The blisters are larger and more provocative.
Oh my god!
Oh no! Ah! Ah!
Unexpectedly, the blisters dodged very skillfully and made the TV woman feel very angry. You still can't control it. Other measures must be used. Ha! Finally got it under control. Ultimately, the blisters are eliminated. TV woman applies medicine to eliminate canker sores. Next is to treat the blisters. Heat stains and blisters have been completely eliminated.
Thank you. Oh.
TV woman advised Pinkie Pie not to eat too many chili peppers at once. Applejack injured his leg and wanted to sort out the unfinished apples.
Hello. Uh-huh.
Pinkie Pie has discovered something.
Huh? Oh my god! Oh,
Pinkie Pie wants help.
okay.
The speed of sorting apples is fast but not as effective as expected.
Huh?
Applejack sighed because the results weren't really good.
I'm sorry.
Pinkie Pie is still determined to help Applejack.
Okay.
Pinkie Pie is about to show off her expert apple picking skills. Oh wow, everything went so smoothly.
Wow! Oh!
Pinkie Pie felt like she still didn't have enough apples, so she wanted to do it again. Oh my god, because I used too much force, the apple tree broke.
I'm sorry. Huh?
Oh no, Applejack was shocked because his apple tree was broken.
Huh? What happened?
Twilight Sparkle wants to find out why Pinkie Pie is sitting here sadly.
Help me!
Pinkie Pie wants to ask Twilight Sparkle for help.
Huh?
After hearing Twilight Sparkle's solution, Pinkie Pie went to work to correct her mistake. It's done, everything is done. Luckily everything went well. Oh wow, there's a flower. Water the flowers to bloom quickly. The flower bud has bloomed into a sunflower. A small sun flew out. Amanda appeared with bad intentions.
Wow!
Oh no, Amanda stole the flower pot. Pinkie Pie returned but couldn't find her flower pot anywhere. Did Pinkie Pie come up with some idea? One new type of seed. Pinkie Pie started planting a new potted plant. First, we will put soil into the pot. Water to help keep the soil moist. Next is to put the new seed into the pot. Finally, fertilize the plants so they grow quickly. With careful care, the tree has grown.
Oh!
Pinkie Pie feels very satisfied with her achievements.
Wow!
Wow, that's Chomper. Does Pinkie Pie have any ideas?
Huh?
Pinkie Pie hid behind a tree and waited.
La 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 la.
Oh, it's Amanda again.
Huh?
Amanda was punished for stealing the flower pot.
Help me! Help me!
Amanda realized her mistake, which is great. Pinkie Pie was very chill while eating cake and looking at her phone. Eating while lying down makes Pinkie's stomach uncomfortable.
Oh my god!
Stomach bloating makes Pinkie Pie panic and cry.
Oh.
Amanda heard the crying and quickly went to ask for her friend. Amanda took a microscope to examine Pinkie. My stomach was moving around thinking about something. He punched Pinkie's stomach hard to show that he was hungry. The cake is so attractive, I'm so hungry.
Wow! Yeah!
More and more cakes. If you do this, you will have a stomachache because you eat too much and your stomach cannot digest it. That's what I knew right away. The stomach is overloaded.
Help me! Help me!
Oh my god. Cakes piled up like mountains.
What happened? Oh.
Amanda must save Pinkie Pie's stomach now. I don't know how to help Pinkie.
Yes!
Oh no. Please use another method equals. A hot compress will help your stomach feel much more comfortable.
Hey!
However, the stomach has not returned to normal. Yeah. Lemon juice will help purify that food. I've made lemonade many times. The first time I saw lemonade online, I saw that you're very good at making lemonade. Are you a bartender?
Oh!
The lemon cutting scene is great. Your hands are so professional. I really like the way you animate it. Quickly drink lemon juice. You need that purification. Luckily, Pinkie's stomach has returned to normal. Amanda is so good at curing her digestive disease. Amanda warned Pinkie not to eat too much, no matter how much she liked it.